Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 2008 Land Rover Defender 90 TDCi XS station wagon that's been converted to automatic transmission by Ashcroft Limited, the proper specialist for doing that sort of thing. Hope you like the videos. One walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine running action at the end. Okay, let's take this 2008 Land Rover Defender 90 TDCi XS station wagon that's been converted to automatic transmission for a spin. All the warning lights come up as they should, and when you start up, go out as they should, apart from the ABS light, which won't go out until we're doing 5 miles an hour. The headlight telltale is on as well. That's because this one has been wired so that the side lights as marker lights are permanently on, a bit like daylight running lights. That's why the headlamp telltale is on. Showing 59,500 miles. Massive spec on this one. Let's see if I remember how to open this thing up here. Open, close. There we are. You'll see that pop up in a minute. There we go. That's full screen. It does navigation, reversing camera, everything, as well as obviously acts as a decent quality stereo. So, seatbelt on, off we go into D. It's fair to say this Ashcroft Transmission's conversion to turn these into automatic is really rather good. It does actually suit them really quite well. Now this road is incredibly bumpy, and yet there's no rattles or squeaks on this Defender at all. It's just getting on with the job. Steers nicely, not having to fight it down the road. Obviously no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating from the motor. Just getting on with the job. Temperature gauge is sitting just below the halfway point. Obviously we're not doing many miles on it today, but I have been out on it quite extensively. Oh, this is drooping a bit. Let's pull that up a bit. There we go. Bracket seems to come a bit loose. Never mind. It's all clear there. Off we go. Bumps, potholes, sprightly acceleration with the auto conversion. As I say, works really well. Brakes nicely, no funny noises. Use your side of the road, cyclists. It performs, I would say, well, it's performed faultlessly, it really is. Engine-wise, it has got the J Engineering Stage 1 conversion, plus things like bigger intercooler and what have you on it as well. I'm sure that does compensate a little bit for the automatic transmission, because that will sap a little bit of power. But the change quality is lovely. It goes into the lockout top gear as it should. By a renowned specialist. miles an hour now, showing just below 2,000 RPM, so it's still nice and relaxed cruising speed. Here we are, back at base. Spot on, can't fault it, really can't. Park. So, my name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more information. Right, let's do a bit of engine running action on this Defender 90 TDCi Automatic. Oh, let's find the key, that's it. Starts nicely whether it's hot or cold. You can see ABS light stays on until you're doing 5 miles an hour as it should, and also the lights have been wired to be on, the side lights have been wired to be on all the time, hence the headlight telltale is on. Under bonnet, standard TDCi, but with the J Engineering Stage 1 package on it, and also apparently a bigger intercooler. It's also got this extra blanket over the top of the engine to make it a bit quieter. And it certainly does sound a bit quieter than standard. Just getting on with the job, really. Which I can tell you.